case of Grapes Asa. Congress has a problem, and the problem is that anybody trying to climb the ladder or enjoy being popular, they cannot see all this. I remember there was a time when in Congress, when each leader wanted to express something, Reginald Lorenzo has always expressed himself on various issues in the assembly. There was a time when others used to play to the galleries. Some were mute spectators. That was the time there were some of the leaders, big wigs in the Congress, who used to have walkout. They should manage a state walkout. But Reginald Lorenzo was the only person who should be a tall leader, raising all sorts of questions. So good. His performance, his track record is all shown. Everybody knows it. People of Goa know that he took up issues which were very dear to people, the Goan people's heart. When he knew all this, he knew that the GPCC president was incapable. What did they do? They kept him, they sidelined him. A man, a leader of his stature, 15 years, he did so much for his constituency. Conveniently, they made him a working president. What did they do with the working president? Were his suggestions taken into account? No. He was never consulted. They had a group of only 3 members. And those 3 members, leaders, only took the decision. Today the fate of the Congress is so bad. When Reginald Lorenzo took up issues in the assembly, I remember that time, Parikar used to tell him, Ogirao re, Ogirao, but he never remained quiet. He fought it out. He said what he had to say. And today, after all that he had to say, Reginald is not a person who will keep quiet now as well. He has joined a formidable party. The TMC is a formidable party. Not like a party like the Congress. They are all in slumber. They believe in borrowing oxygen from other people, other parties. Look how they have done settings with the BJP. Everybody knows. And I'm sure we will not be leaving Reginald just alone. We will stand by him. We will give him all the support that we require. The party will give him. People of Kutori, people of Goa will stand by him. And I'm sure in the coming, people of Goa will see him as a tall leader.
Well, compliments of the season to all my constituents, my fellow Goans. 7 days have passed since I've joined the TMC, and it was a decision. They have surprised a lot of my supporters, my close friends and well-wishers. But I can vouch that this decision is a good decision taken in the interest of my people and my state, and only time will tell. Many parties approached me, but I joined the TMC. I see that it is a party that can defeat the BJP. I have not joined the BJP, and I have not shifted sides after winning the elections. At the end of my term, I have taken a decision, and we have taken a decision which will help my people. Getting elected is one part. But after 2 terms, getting elected and not completely fulfilling the aspirations of my people, the work of my people, that was very important. Which from time and again, we have been doing. Every time, we have been taking up issues in the assembly. Nothing happens more than that. We have our own people not supporting in the assembly. Every time we have work, we have a problem. So I have taken a decision. We have taken a very good decision, and a party which has the fire, which has the intent, a party which is ready to fight the BJP on the streets, have got the infrastructure, have got the know-how, have got surveys, have got so many things which will 2022. Now, 2022, at the helm of affairs, my own people tell me where we are going to reach the ruling. All this made with the party. I have always been a firm person who has taken up issues in spite of having people telling us not to take issues. I have been like an activist. Maximum number of questions I have taken up in the assembly, and I have received accolades for it. Congress party made me a working president. I never demanded it. They made me a working president. Maybe they had obvious reasons. And whatever suggestion, it was never taken up to its logical end. And I could make out that there are so many tricks being played now to malign my image. So many, the way they are projecting, like as though I am a villain, when I have got any issues about corruption, nor issues about any intent to destroy the interest of the state on any issues. I have been taking up issues right from 2007, when I first became MLA, till this day. All issues we have taken up. The Congress party, with its leaders who have no intent to go into ruling nor fight the opposition, no forceful attack against the BJP. My track record shows that I have always taken it head on to the BJP. And now I feel that this decision, I know a lot of people, my own supporters, are surprised. I want to tell them, only time will tell. I want to tell them to take my people and usher development in my constituency, in my state. I want to tell my people also that there is, whatever may be the interest of the constituency and the state, there is no compromise on any issue nor any interest where the state is involved. I am very clear about this, and I think I would like to request my people and my state. You may be surprised with my decision, but it is really taken in the interest and sincere interest of the state as well as my people.
So Congress had given you ticket also. So the reason किती असेल? पण तिकीट घेऊन सुद्धा सोडपा खातीर.
तिकीट आता तिकेटीचे फर्स्ट लिस्टाचेर उलयलो चिदंबरम की फर्स्ट लिस्टान डिफीट जावपाचो कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून तेजेर हांवें नांव देना. विथ फर्स्ट लिस्टान जर तूं डिफीटेड कॅन्डिडेट घालता जाल्यार तुमगे फ्युचर कितें म्हण हांव देना. आनी सेकंड थिंग, इट डजंट फर्स्ट लिस्टान घालून फाटल्यान हे भाशेन करपाचें की म्हाका हें करपाचो डिस्ट्रॉय करपाचो टेक्नीक आपल्याली म्हूण कोणा इंटेंशन कोण आसा ताचें. सो दॅट इज वाय आय हॅव टू टेक दिस डिसिजन टू टेक माय पीपल इन टू द रुलिंग. Take my people where there will be development. Take my people getting elected is okay. मुखार कितें 2 टर्म आमी इलेक्ट जालें तें करपा लागून आमी हें डिसिजन घेतलें.
फर्स्ट लिस्ट येयल्यार ते सगळे डिफीट जातले.
तो म्हणटा जाल्यार हांव आय रेस्ट माय केस. आय डोंट वांट टू से एनीथिंग. I never like to talk against somebody I was with. आनी तें आतां कळ्ळें इतले तेंपान म्हजें उलोवपाक.
Then how would you convince your supporters or your constituency voters since you have joined TMC? Because are you finding it difficult or is it task?
See, I have worked for 3 terms. Sincerely worked with my people. I have taken up agriculture work to my best. I have put systems in place which previously were not there in the constituency. Like for example, there was no office also in the constituency. See what I am speaking, you have the right to ask me questions, but I will tell you that I am not telling lies or whatever I am telling you. There is no question, it's been nothing but the truth. There was no single office in my constituency. There was no system in place where people could come and voice their grievances. We had a service to the people. We had mob services. We had electrical services. We had ambulance services. We had household services. We had so many things. We would even do work of cleaning the constituency, keeping it clean. We would even remove garbage which was spit on the roads, which was thrown on the roads or by the roadsides. We used to do so many things, even cutting of branches in the electricity department. We should, because we could not afford to get underground cabling in our constituency, so that there would be no failures of lights. All this we did, which was previously not done. All this work was put in place by me, which was had nothing in the constituency. For example, we had some blood testing center. A lot of people opposed my blood testing, some diabetes testing and some small things. We had equipments to be given to people, whoever could take it and give it back to me. Like for example, wheelchairs, we had recliner bikes, we had small things. Small things we met. What mattered, the common man, the real गरजेवंत की पावपा वोस आम्ही हाडली. आम्ही बऱ्या मोगान काम केलें 3 term. With that, I want to tell my people now that it will be my endeavor to take you to ruling and take you to a place where we will be able to do more work. I will go to my people back again and convince my people. It's because we have done so much of work for the last 3 terms that we could, that I have the courage to go to my people and explain to them. I know that they are surprised. They are taken a little aback. It will be my endeavor to see that I go to them and get them on my side back again. And by the way, I don't want to speak about anything more about the Congress party because I have seen closely for the last 8 months what is the state of affairs there. How we could not even, get, as a campaign chief, could not get even one hoarding. Could not get even one material. Anyway, I don't want to say anything. I rest my case at this.
But Congress leaders सांगतात की you are not sincere with the party.
It took them so long. It took them so long. When 10 fellows left, when 3 fellows resigned before that.
Okay.
Yeah,
It
Mr.
took them
Lavin.
so long to tell them. This is what they were doing. This is what they were doing inside the party, tarnishing my image inside the party only. And it continues.
Mr.
And
Regional,
this now I have left them, tell them to stop that.
Mr. Regional,
Yes.
adding to that same question, you see, Congress had appointed you as Vice Chairman of Coordination Committee. Then you were Chairman of Campaign Committee. Then suddenly you went during midnight. You went to meet poll strategists. That time also party said they supported you. Then there were rumors that you are joining TMC. What is this confusion? All this, can you tell us?
See, in the midnight when I went, there were a lot of, wherever I went, there were others who were not caught on camera. It's because I was not willing to do what others wanted, that's why I was caught there. Others I would have not been caught.
What was that?
Whatever.
Whatever.
You know it better, being the press.
So you
I
can
will tell
disclose it, no?
One second.
Who were with you? Who were with you that time?
I have already said that wherever I have gone is because they were not. I was not doing what they wanted that it happened.
That's
So I have
okay.
already explained previously. Now I have already taken a decision. We have decided to join the TMC And that's it.
That's okay, but I am asking you what was that confusion, all that has happened in the
Confusion
so
is
you are
because
blaming Congress, but they say you are given everything.
see, you want to tell that everybody now. Last time they said that other parties left, some other fellows left, so they also were given and they left.
They have given their justification. No?
Justification. So they are just trying to tarnish my image. That's all. These people are just trying to tarnish my image. They have nothing else to say against me. So that is the whole, mechanism what they are using. Now instead of using that mechanism to reach to power, I think they should do that.
These positions were not given to you.
Sorry,
These positions, what I
only on paper.
only on paper.
Nothing more than that.
But by
There
your
were
own,
5 meetings were held with the MGP.
Mr.
A lot of
Reginald,
parties had meetings with the, but I was.
by your own confession, you just admitted that they allowed you to do everything you wanted to do for your constituency. So where was the frustration?
Who?
You just told us that you did a whole lot of things
I
and you
did
were
on my
allowed to
own.
do.
I did everything on my own. I spent my own personal money.
But nobody stopped you
For
or
the last
frustrated
15
you.
years, no one, I did everything. I did all work in my constituency on my without anybody's help. Nobody even dared come and ask me, what happened? How are you maintaining? We are 3 terms in the opposition. No one dared even ask me, what is it? Do you have any problems? When it came to the opposition leader, what happened? Everybody enjoyed power and position.
But
No one
everybody
could
praised you.
sacrifice.
Everybody was full of praise for you for what you had done for your constituency.
Correct.
So what was the frustration?
How will we reach the ruling? How will we be getting elected and not being able to do work? Do you know how many people come to us with job letters, come with us, so much work. Some people come to us, come for some help from how do I do it? When you are in the ruling, you can at least get the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. You can get at least some jobs fulfilled. Although the BJP failed to do the right process of work, but at least if you are ruling, at least to some extent you can satisfy some people. Because on the job front, the youth want jobs. The youth have so many aspirations. That is why you see they are shifting to. They have the tendency to shift. That's because of this. They come with us. They come to us with job letters. They come with us for other works. Like for example, they want to do some enterprising work. They want to they have a startup. From where? How do I help them? No way. Getting elected, I know. Getting elected, and after getting elected, not able to carry forward. That is the worst crime you can do to the people who have elected you. They elect you and you can't do work. Can you imagine that sort of a situation that I've gone through for the last 2 terms? I have been through so much of trouble. People coming to us, literally the sandals on my face. I can show you because I can't do their work. All these things I have to face.
So being in the opposition was the most upset thing for you.
See,
For such a long time.
I stood up in the opposition for the last 2 terms. I fought in the opposition. For too long, the people want work. At the end of the day, people want work. Too long, they can't accept you as an opposition. My dear friend, that they want work in the constituency. And if you are not able to do it, it's better you do something, or you have to, rest your case.
So there is no hope in Congress forming the government.
I see hopes in the Trinamool Congress. They have the capacity to do it. And the list and the criticism on the list shows. The rest I don't say.
तुमका दिसतं काँग्रेस वांगडा तुम्ही कितली वर्ष काम केला आणि आता म्हणता काँग्रेसीक फ्युचर ना तुमका दिसता टीएमसीक फ्युचर असा अशें
काँग्रेसा काही खूप वर्ष काम केले. आय थिंक दिस शुड बी द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. सॉर्ट झालं.
लास्ट
One second.
आणि 2 मुले आले.
आता तुम्ही ऑलरेडी विचारलं.
आणि
One second. काँग्रेसची काही 15 सिन्सियरली काम केलं. एक दिस एक म्हाका रेजोल्यूशन घेयल ना हांवें बरें काम केलें म्हणपाक एपीसीसीन. यू नो दॅट हांवें काम केलें म्हणून प्रेस एडमीट करता की लोक म्हाका एप्रिशिएट करताले म्हणून. बट जीबीसीसीन एक रेजोल्यूशन घेवन केन्ना म्हाका एप्रिशिएट करपाक. पूण केन्ना फेलिसिटेट केलें ना. हांवें एग्रीकल्चरान कितू काम केलें 15 inconsistently जेन्ना आमकां काम करपा पडलें शेतांनी पॅन्डेमिक जाली 2 सिजनां 2-3 सीजन पॅन्डेमिक जाले ड्रायव्हर आनी ऑपरेटर नासतना आमी काम केलां रिस्क घेवन ड्रायव्हर ऑपरेटरां कर्नाटका सांड कितले what we have forget what we have financially lost at the soon but pandemic driver muge gara ravatale muge family was in the house and my drivers was sitting next to was staying next to my house who came from Karnataka. That sort of risk we took for our people, that love and affection we have for our people, and with the love and affection I have done my work. Let people who criticize, no problem. It is easy to criticize and it is difficult to work.
My question is TMC तुम्ही जॉइन झाला TMC फ्युचर असा का
काम केले
My question is TMC फ्युचर असा का
TMC आणि MGP अलायन्स हे फावटी सरकार घडयता फ्युचर आहा आणि ब्राईट फ्युचर आहा येणाऱ्या काळात घडलो
पार्टीचे ग्रास रूट काय ना नो
पार्टी 3 महिने पयलीं हांगासर 6 आणि 40 वर्सां पयलींच्यो पार्ट्यो पळयतात तुम्ही ग्रास रूट अजूनही जायना पण आमचे TMC चो मिनिंग जाणाय तो TMC तृणमूल काँग्रेस ग्रास रूट काँग्रेस ग्रास रूट भरपूर आहा 3 महिन्यांनी आम्ही कितें आहा पळय ते गोंयचे जनतेने करून दाखयले आयज मेरेन जी गृहलक्ष्मी जी आम्ही स्कीम डिक्लेअर केल्ली आहा तिचे आयज मेरेन खाली 15 दिसां भितर 1.5 लाख महिलांनी तितून आपले रजिस्ट्रेशन केल्ले आहा
एक मिनिट तुम्ही म्हटलं MG आणि तृणमूल काँग्रेस सरकारकडे येतली बरोबर पण सध्या MG तृणमूलाक जॉईन झाल्या कारणान MG चे कार्यकर्ते सध्या नाराज झालेले असतात ताजी
MG तृणमूलाक जॉईन जांगना सिनियर पत्रकार कशे प्रश्न विचारतात MG तृणमूला वांगडा अलायन्स केल्ले
अलायन्स केला म्हणूनच तर काँग्रेस MG चे जे कार्यकर्ते असतात पळय ते MG पासून पयस होतात
बारीक बारीक गोष्टी या संसारात सगळे घडता 100% आम्ही कोणाकूच सॅटिस्फाय करूंक शकना
MG चे उमेदवार भायर पडूंक लागले आता बरें
एक्चुअली तो एक सिनियर फायनान्स मिनिस्टर आमचो कॅल्क्युलेशनाक चुकता बंगालान कितें
आणि हांगा तुम्ही 5,000 दिता म्हणटा तुम्ही थंय कित्याक स्टार्ट करूं नाका म्हणटा
आयक सांगता बंगालान ममता बॅनर्जी आमची पार्टी चीफ आहा थंय 10 करोड पॉप्युलेशन आहा आमच्या गोंयान 15 लाख पॉप्युलेशन आहा नो मजा आहे त्यांच्यानी 500 रुपयाचे उतर दिवन 500 रुपया दिता आम्ही 5,000चे उतर दिले आम्ही 5,000 दिले आता कशें दिवप न्हू ते तुका सरकारी येयले उपरांत आमी कळयतले गोंयचे जनतेक खबर आहा गोंयांक रेव्हेन्यू जो बजेट आहा पळय तितून ह्यो सगळ्यो गोष्टी करपाक शकता
Just one. You just mentioned about the hoardings. The Congress were not able to provide hoardings. We can see hoardings now in your case. My question is, would you like to take a responsibility with CM if party declares you the face?
Once I join a party, I will accept whatever decisions the party gives. The party tells me to do something, I will do. Like what I was doing previously.
As Kurtori Block Congress Committee joined you in your decision, as Kurtori Block Congress Committee has joined you in your decision, त्यांनी support केला तुका Block Congress Committee तुझी बरोबर येयल्या?
Not all, but there are members who have supported.
Not all.
काल एमजीपीची मांडणी मीटिंग झाली आणि त्यांच्याने रिजेक्शन म्हणजे युती झाली आणि त्यांचं असेल म्हणजे कसे उलट चालले युतीचे उलाव चालले प्रमाणिकपणान त्या उलवण्यात हांव ना तेजे पार्टीच्या सिनियर लिडरांनी हे डिसिजन घेतलें थँक्यू